Now that the Michael Todd versus Georgy Svetkov super heavyweight super match is set for December 13th at East vs West 21, Dave Chaffee can finally rest with his newly won 115 kg title for a while, at least until February next year, because that's where he's most likely going to be defending it at East vs West 22. But before Devon announced this Georgy Svetkov versus Michael Todd match, Michael and Dave were going back and forth on Instagram. Michael Todd was trying to get a title match against Dave in the December event. It looked like Dave was not against having a super match in December, but he didn't want to defend his title. Dave Chaffee. Apparently, Michael Todd thinks he's the #1 contender. What ranking was this? The Michael Todd imaginary ranking or the Michael Todd entitlement ranking? Last ranking I saw, Ivan, Reno, Sagov and Dadikyan were ranked higher. And not much has changed except the title. So get in line. Michael Todd, what ranking were you when you got offered the match? I was already offered the match with the winner of your match. The only reason it wasn't talked about was because the Levant discussion came up. Not sure why you're upset, because the owner offered me a match with the winner. So Michael has a point when he says that Dave was also not ranked high, or maybe not ranked at all, when he got offered the title match as soon as he dropped down to 115 kilos. Dave Chaffee, no. You asked the owner for a title shot from the winner. You weren't offered. That is where the entitlement comes in. The difference is, when I dropped to 115, I said I would gladly start from the bottom. That's the difference. Either way, there are other guys that deserve a shot first. I'll gladly pull you in the future, but there are other guys that are going to get a shot first that have been at the top of the division. Is Dave talking about Reno Masic when he comes back? Is he talking about Ivan Matyushenko or someone else? Michael Todd, now you're picking your opponents. Thanks for telling me what I did. I was offered the match when Engin and I were discussing Baku. Then I relayed that to Robert. Your behavior over this whole thing has honestly been a surprise, from your last outburst to this one. But you do you. I was scheduled to pull for the title last August, but they couldn't get a visa for my opponent, so I decided to go to Supers. Not sure what all the drama is about. I'm just doing what I was asked to do. So both have some good points there, but I am agreeing more with Michael Todd on this one, especially after knowing that Michael has beaten Dave multiple times in the past, even when Dave Chaffee was in his prime form. Still, he lost to Michael almost all of the times except for one. So is Dave Chaffee avoiding Michael Todd? Does he want to hold on to the title for as long as he can? Because it has been more than a decade since Dave Chaffee has been #1 in any category. Last time he was #1 was around 2011-10 when he won the WAF title. Or maybe we can also say that Dave Chaffee was the WL hammer holder and Michael Todd was competing there. I would still love to see this match because it would give us a very clear picture where Dave Chaffee and Michael Todd stand as of now compared to their prime shapes. And speaking of the Georgy Svetkov versus Michael Todd super match, Michael was saying that Georgy is not going to take his hand. I think he absolutely will. Is he going to win from there? I'm not sure. Maybe Michael is going to win, but I think Georgy will take his hand. And speaking of super match announcements, East vs West has officially announced the Ayane Takenaka versus Victoria Carlson, who is going to be making a debut in a 60 kg left arm super match. Ayane is probably the most requested female athlete at East vs West. It would be amazing to see her come back after many fans were saying that she got robbed in her first match. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Please like it. I'll see you again.